Hello, and welcome back to Sunpath. This time let's try a creative way to understand what time of the year and for how much of the day the sun path is to the north of the line of latitude and to the south. We'll start off with this illustration taken as using the latitude of Toronto on a day in August. And we see here that the shadow is partially to the south and partially to the north, which is of course the opposite of what the sun is doing. Well, let's draw a curtain all the way up to the sky, higher than the sun, on the east and west line, which is our line of latitude, and watch when the sun pokes through it and when it doesn't. We'll start with 43 degrees. Here we are in the winter months, completely in the south. But as we reach the March equinox, you will see that for part of the day the sun is disappearing behind our curtain, but never completely gone. It reaches the maximum in the June time frame and then starts its way back. As we come up to the September equinox, here we come, there we are, and now for the rest of the year, the sun is entirely to the south of our line of latitude. Let's do the same thing for the equator. What's interesting in the equator is that in the December time frame, it is completely to the south, and then as of course we come to the March equinox, boom, it just completely disappears all the way to the north of the equator, and it's going to stay that way all the way until we get back to the September equinox, which is coming up here just now. And you will see there we are all at once, and that's the difference of the equator, is that it's all on one side or the other. To the 64 degrees, which is almost the Arctic Circle. There the days are getting longer, and it's now starting to have a pretty big chunk of the day over in the north, but still a portion of the day. Solar noon is always south, and a few hours on either side. There we pass back through, and the days are getting short, and the sun is getting low up until the December solstice. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Feel free to check out the other videos in this playlist. Thanks again. See you next time.